Hi all, welcome to MISY 5350 erp-ecommerce. This is me. I'm Dr. Kakuli Bandopadhyay. I go by Dr. B. I am the instructor of your course. I will walk you through the Blackboard shell, and also I will talk to you about the syllabus. Okay, so this is the Blackboard shell. When you get in, you look at the first page, which the first icon getting started. So you click on that, you come here, then here you have the syllabus, and then you can see tips to succeed in this class. 5 tips: start your work early, ask for help. Okay, start early enough to be able to ask for help, because your assignments are due at 11:59 in the night. So if you sit at 11 and if you ask for help at 11, there won't be anybody to help you. So always start in advance so that you can have enough time to ask for help. Okay, always submit work by deadline. If you do not do that, if you miss a deadline, you get 5 points deducted per day. And never submit anyone else's file, because you will be immediately caught and you will get a 0. So never share your file with anyone and never ask for a file from anyone. Always submit your own work and your own file. Now I have listed, there are 6 weeks in summer. I have listed all the weeks here. So week 1, which starts from June 5 to 7, this is your to-do list. Okay, so you have to read the course syllabus, you have to watch the welcome video, you have to explore the Blackboard course shell, you have to introduce yourself, review the study guide for chapter 1 and 2, and you have to review the PowerPoint slides on chapter 1 and 2, and you have to submit your assignment 1 on June 7. So you can have the syllabus from here. This is a introduce yourself discussion board actually, and I have already introduced myself. So you can now go back and introduce yourself. These are the study guides which are listed, PowerPoint slides are listed, and submit assignment 1 here. So you click on here and you can see your assignment 1. It has 8 points and this is your assignment 1. So click on assignment 1. So assignment 1 is basically due on June 7. These are some questions that you have to answer for the case how college students become entrepreneurs, page 37 in chapter 1 of your book, and you have to write answers to these questions. Remember that answer has to be substantial. Just yes no type of answer will not fetch you points, so you have to be substantial. The answer you have to be explaining yourself pretty well, and then you prepare a Word document with an answer to the questions, and then you basically submit. Okay, so that's your assignment 1, and you submit as an attachment. So you browse your computer and then you attach your Word document and submit through the submit button. Similarly, this is week 2, and week 2 will have the to-do list, and then when you go down you will see all the things that you have to do. Okay, now I will now get into the syllabus for this course. Likewise, week 3, week 4, week 5 and week 6, they are all set. Like in week 6 we have 3 days, July 8, 9 and 10, and you have to submit 3 assignments, SAP assignments on those 3 days. So anyway, this is just to show you the summer course schedule. Now we have 6 weeks and then we have 45 actually hours. If you were in a class, you would have spent 7 hours per week in a class. So if you spend 7 hours per week outside of class, you should be done with all the assignments and all the classwork. Okay, so you don't have to spend any more hours that you would have spent in class. So this is the syllabus for this class. The course is ERP Electronic Commerce. I'm Dr. Kakuli Bandopadhyay and I go by Dr. B. My office is 237 GB Business Building, I've given you my phone number, I've given you my alternative email address, which is my Lamar email address, but please do not use it for course related questions. Use always Blackboard. Okay. Office hours Monday through Thursday 12 to 1, and I'll be available online following this link. So all you have to do is click on this link and join as guest, and you can see me and hear me from there. Or you can email me also, 24 hours you can email me, and I'm pretty good with email, so I will reply back pretty good, pretty quick. What is the objective of this course? This course is basically we will be uh, understanding the concepts of e-commerce. We will look at the technology behind e-commerce. We will look at some of the business strategies for e-commerce, and then we will learn, or we will develop skills in SAP NetWeaver, Enterprise Portals, and Visual Composer. Okay. Now, what is it that we would be doing with that? Organizations, they find the need to develop custom front-end web-based applications to add functionality to their ERP systems. Okay. Now, this course will provide you with the conceptual foundation as well as hands-on experience in developing web-based applications. So, you will be developing web-based applications without having to actually code. Okay. So, we will use SAP NetWeaver, Enterprise Portal, and Visual Composer. With SAP NetWeaver, Enterprise Portal, you can quickly and effectively integrate SAP solutions, third-party applications, legacy systems, databases, unstructured documents, internal and external web content, and collaboration tools. And Visual Composer is a powerful design tool. You will love it. It will facilitate the creation of portal content using a graphical user interface, but you don't have to write any code. Okay, so it's a codeless application development. It provides sophisticated, but it is very simple to use tool for creating iViews that process data from the backend system such as SAP R3 or SAP Business Information Warehouse, as well as external databases and web services. So basically you will be doing hands-on SAP stuff here in developing web-based applications without coding, and also in integrating different third-party solutions via Enterprise Portal. Now, ADA compliance, drop and withdraw dates, you can read it. Teaching materials, the third edition of electronic commerce by Tarban, King and Lang, and we will use this book. We will have case studies from this book, so the exams are also from this book, so you need that book. Okay, it's a Prentice Hall book, 2011. I have given you the web link from where we can chat. The recommended software. The software is web based. You do not need to download anything. You just need to log into a site and then work from there. Okay. There will be 2 exams. Exams are closed book, closed note through the web, and makeup exams are given only under very strict situation, like when you are verifiable written excuses, when you are really sick and all. Assignments, the whole course is based on several assignments. Assignments turned in after the deadline will automatically have 5 points deducted per day. You can always early submit an assignment. Okay. Course grades will be like this: exam 1 25 points, exam 2 25 points, SAP assignments 190 points, other assignments 60 points. So together 300 points. So 90% and above is A, 80% and above is B, so on and so forth. Computer requirements. For SAP Enterprise Portal NetWeaver to work, you need a machine with Windows 7 and IE Internet Explorer 9 browser in the compatibility view. Okay, nothing else works. Windows XP will not work, Windows 8 will not work, Windows Vista is not going to work, Firefox browser will not work, Chrome will not work, Safari will not work, only IE 9 and Windows 7. These machines are available in the College of Business in room 109 and in room 246. Okay. For any kind of Blackboard related help, I have given you the distance aid number. For SAP help, You of course you have me, but any kind of technology, how, because you do not have download, you don't have to download any SAP this semester, so you really don't need technical help as such. But in case you need help and I'm overwhelmed, then Miss Liz Simmons is a backup. Okay, I have given you her email and her office hours and her office number, phone number, so you can get in touch with her as a backup. In an online course, academic honesty is very strongly emphasized. Make sure that you submit your own work on your own file. If you are caught cheating, then you get a 0 in that assignment. If you repeat that offense, you can be asked to drop the course with an F. Okay. Attendance policy is that it is your responsibility to be enrolled, to keep enrolled. At any point, if you decide to drop the class, it is your responsibility to officially drop. If you do not drop a class and do not participate, you will get an F at the end of the semester. This is our course schedule. June 5, Wednesday, which is tomorrow, we are starting. So, welcome. You read the syllabus, check out Blackboard. Then June 6, June 7, you have chapter 1 and 2, and you have to submit assignment 1. Similarly, June 10 to week 2 is June 10 to June 14. There you have to submit assignment 3, assignment 4, and take your first exam. And also look at chapters 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Similarly, all of these dates are given here, and the extreme right column lists the things that are due on a particular day. Okay. So if you take, say for example, Friday, July 5, you can see that SAP assignment 9 is due on that day. When something is due, it is due at 11:59 in the night. So if something is, say, July 5, if your SAP assignment 9 is due, so it is open till 11:59 in the night. If you submit an assignment at 12:01 in the night, it becomes the next day and 5 points get deducted. Okay, so this is basically it for the starting of the course. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me, email me, come online and chat with me. I hope to have a productive semester with you all. Start your work early, meet your deadlines, and if you need help, please understand that lots of help are available. So take help. Okay. So I will see you then. I hope to hear from you, and I would expect that you introduce yourself to the class in the introduction section from week 1, so that we get to know each other. Okay. Thank you.